The day I stop dreaming is the day I die. Man is not interesting without some imperfection. Real happiness lies in the completion of work using your own brains and skills. I think best when I have a wrench in my hands. A company is most clearly defined not by its people or its history, but by its products. I don't give a damn for the diploma. What I want is the knowledge. Hope makes you forget all the difficult hours. I would have to put in the necessary time, but nothing could stop me from succeeding. When you fail, you also learn how not to fail. Why should a man spend his days seated behind the desk, twiddling his thumbs to pass the time? I don't regret the thousands of times I came home empty-handed, having lost all my ammunition and bait. When the days get as gloomy as that, then you know you will soon find the treasure. My biggest thrill is when I plan something and it fails. My mind is then filled with ideas on how I can improve it. If you hire only those people you understand, the company will never get people better than you are. Always remember that you often find outstanding people among those you don't particularly like. The value of life can be measured by how many times your soul has been deeply stirred. There is a Japanese proverb that literally goes, "Raise the sail with your stronger hand," meaning you must go after the opportunities that rise in life that you are best equipped to do. Enjoying your work is essential. If your work becomes an expression of your own ideas, you will surely enjoy it. Each individual should work for himself. People will not sacrifice themselves for the company. They come to work at the company to enjoy themselves. You direct a garage or a business like you drive a bus. It does its round, stopping to pick people up, but it can't make a long-distance trip. Of course, you can be happy driving the same route all your life, but I wanted to drive bigger and faster buses and see other places. You don't measure a man's greatness by his physical size, but by his acts, by the impact he makes on human history. What we learn through failure becomes a precious part of us, strengthening us in everything we do. So let the tough things make you tougher. Success represents the 1% of your work which results from the 99% that is called failure. Instead of being afraid of the challenge and failure, be afraid of avoiding the challenge and doing nothing. We will not be content with this victory alone. We will study why we won and aggressively apply those winning technologies to new cars.